Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. If you guys are new, welcome or welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a home decor haul, a coquette aesthetic, cute aesthetic home decor haul, and these items are from Shein and I'm really excited to share them with you guys and start using them because I think it's going to add a lot of cuteness into my apartment. I'm really into home decor. Like, I'm just gonna share with you guys what my filming setup is right now. Like, look at this little table. Look at everything that I have. Look at all of my cute home decor. So this is like proof that that's a random birthday card, by the way. So if you guys are also into decorating your room, decorating your apartment, decorating your house, then keep on watching this video because I have some really cute items to share with you all. First thing first, my mom has this already, but I decided to get another one because, you know, as Gen Z millennials or just like people living in today's day and age, we're always on our laptops, always on our computers. And so this is a great item to have on your desk, a little hack, because you can put your, you know, wrist on it. It's a lot more comfortable than just like, you know, having your wrist be mid-air. So this is just like a really squishy cloud, and put your wrist on it when you're working and it's actually really, really comfortable. But yeah, this is just a really handy item for people who do computer work. Next item I'm actually really excited about as well. I actually saw someone talk about this like in one of their like 淘宝好物分享 talked about this item. 然后我本来想转运，但是我想说这个挺沉的，我说转运费应该挺高的吧。So Shein has it, guys. You don't need to get it from Mobile. Shein has it. It's basically just a marble style patterned tissue box holder. And it's actually really great quality. Like, it's like a leather, I think, but it's really gonna be able to fit your tissue box. I love like a tissue box holder. I mean, I already have a pink like Bottega inspired one. Like, it looks like a Bottega bag, but it's just like a pink, you know, leather tissue paper holder. It's a little small, but this is actually like a really big size, so this is really gonna be able to fit your tissue box inside with like a lot of remaining room, guys. I'm gonna just like operate this right now. Shut up, shut up. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. 有没有种草？就请问有没有种草，朋友们？太好看了. I'm so obsessed. Fits perfectly, guys. Such a great find. This is like the cutest, you know, vase. I like totally forgot what it's called. Light pink. They have 3 different sizes on the website, but 我已经种草可多人了. Like, so many people got this because of me because it's so cute. I think that it looks just fine without any flowers inside. Obviously, you can see this one. It's also from Shein. This little vase has some flowers in it. It's super cute, but I feel like this type needs flowers. This doesn't. Like, she just literally just is perfect chilling there, existing. Like, it's just so beautiful. Light pink, round, great quality, very hefty. So I like this a lot. And again, you can have 3 different sizes to choose from. You can get all 3. I just think it's really cute. The color is great as well, so love that. I also have this little clear acrylic situation, like organizational little box to put your makeup in. There's like, those are little knobs. This is great for like makeup products like, you know, highlighters, blushes, bronzers. Like, that's perfect. All 3: highlight, blush, bronzer, and you're set, guys. You can also do, this is also great for like eyeliner. You know, it's longer, so it's great for like eyeliners, mascaras. So this is just like perfect for organization. I have an IKEA desk and I just feel like stuff is just in there, you know, and I feel like I really do need to get some acrylic organization to put in the drawer to kind of, you know, further organize it and make it less messy. So really excited about this. Organizing my makeup is actually very therapeutic as well, so I'm excited to use this. This little gray or black colored once again acrylic organizer. So on this side you can put brushes, lipsticks, eyeshadows, whatever, and then in this section you can put some skincare, some perfume, some body lotion, and it's gonna be great. So love this. I've always wanted something like this, guys. And then I literally have everything in like a grocery bag because there's so many, just so many of these acrylic containers. Perfect for organization. I feel like my drawers in my apartment are quite messy, so having, you know, these acrylic organizers are going to be great. And there's so many. So if you have like IKEA furniture, which I know most Gen Zs do, they have so many drawers, and in the drawers it's like you need something like this to have everything tidy, or else it's just like all all over the place and very messy, which I feel like that is me right now. So just to show you guys some sizes for reference, there are these really small ones. You can put some clips in here, some rings. There's another one kind of like medium length, so great for like pencils, pens, makeup. And then there's a longer one, so you can, you know, put some blushes or whatever. This huge one, which I gotta like really think about how I want to store these, but you have this one as well, which is really big. You can put some like jewelry boxes. The world is your oyster, guys. And I'm probably gonna film like a organize with me or something. I feel like I love watching those like ASMR organizational videos, so I'm probably gonna film one of those. Stay tuned. All right guys, last item that I wanted to share with you all, super exciting, is this mug set, mug and plate. So cute. I've already had this for a bit as well, but I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's so cute. It's just white, silver, or cream, silver, and black, and it says, "You are mine, all mine." But the overall aesthetic and vibe is just so cute, and I don't even use this, but yeah, just putting it there is so pretty. So I'm so obsessed. Just a really cute piece that I wanted to share with you all. All right guys, that is pretty much the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. I'll have all these in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box as well. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.